So I have been slowly but surely adding some of these titles here. And that's one of the things that's going to need to be completed by you and your staff because of my bandwidth restrictions. So I'm going to show you how to continue to do that. This also affects the films and schedule section, so it's all kind of done at the same time. So we're going to do this with posts, and I'm going to go into posts, and you can see I've got these posts there already. So let's do a new one. Click Add New. Then I'm going to go into your old site to download the data. I've already done some of these. Let's do this next one as above. And I'm going to right click the image and save it. I've got a films folder here. And then I'm going to need access to this information too. First I'm going to copy the title and I'm going to paste it here for the title of our new post. And then I'm going to highlight all this text and I'm going to paste it in here. With the posts, we're not going to be editing the template for Oxygen unless you want to change the overall appearance. Like if I go into one of these, we don't have any banner at the top. It's the basic layout with your menu and the footer and then the content in here. If you want to change something about that, you can edit the template, but otherwise we're just going to be working in here in the Add New Post page. So once you've done that, what's important is two things. First, you need to set the categories. So whatever labels are on here, this is a narrative short. It's also going to be on the front page as an official selection. So I've got these two categories here that need to be checked in order for this post to show up where it needs to show up. So we've got narrative short and official selection. Now the last thing we need to do is set the featured image. I'm going to upload the file that I just downloaded. Set the featured image. And then I'm going to click Publish. And that's going to create our post. So if I refresh this page, now we have this one here. And if I click on it, it'll take us here to the description. And if I go here to narrative short, it's going to show up here too. So that's basically how to add a new film title